Hello guys, welcome to Techno-Tech YouTube channel. In this video, we will show you how to replace the drum unit in Konica Minolta C224e photocopier. Thanks for watching. If you learn anything in this video, please give a like and subscribe for more videos. If you have any questions, just pin a comment.